Today we are climbing the peak of Mount Annapurna. Mount Annapurna is the mountain which the entire Niseko ski area sits on. To get to the top you have to take a one-man chairlift. It doesn't have any bars or anything, and then when you get to the top of that there's about a 200-300 meter hike. So it's going to be exhausting and a challenge, but the rewards at the top will be totally worth it. Dad here trying to tie up his skis to his bag. Well, we made it to the top. It's taken us about half an hour, so it's really not a long climb. You get to like a middle section, then you can pick a left or a right peak. So we're now officially at the top. There was a sign here that used to tell you the altitude, but I think the wind's blown off. There's some really cool powder to hit, and then it'll be time to go to work. So down we go. And that's it. That is my season in Niseko done. I'm actually in a hotel room now in my next location, which I won't reveal until the coming videos. But just looking back on those last couple of days on the slopes, it was such good fun. In the last 10 days I had my father out here, my cousin then came as well. Both times I showed them the peak, my dad got to see Japan for the first time, which was really great. Yeah, what a crazy 4 to 5 months it's been, and it'll take me a bit of time to process it once I get out of here. But in the short term, yeah, it was really great fun, and I'm excited for the next couple of days while I'm here, and then I'm also excited to go home. But just want to say quickly, thank you very much to every single one who supported the channel and the videos over the last couple of months. It's been quite frequent, and that's been a challenge, posting videos all the time, but I really like the challenge. So I'm going to leave it there, and I'll see you in the next video.